Finished my evening run just before the rain. I have been running for a year now and it has been a game changer for me. I urge everyone to add some kind of physical activity in your routine, exercise, running, or go for a walk regularly every day. There is a saying that long and silent walks holds the solution to your many problems, and I have experienced this many times. If you stay consistent, these activities will help calm your nerves, refresh your mind, and you will be in a good mood most of the time. The ideal time is just after the sunset. You can turn this into a family outing to a nearby park. Take headphones with you if you like to listen to something as you walk.